A 10-year-old was shot in the face by a gel pellet gun and left bruised. And now investigators are looking into whether this is linked to a TikTok challenge. The child was hit by the gel pellet while walking home from the bus stop in Middletown this week. The father of another child who was there says the shot was fired from a passing car. He says the driver then circled back a second time
and came by and laughed at him like it was a big joke. And so that was really upsetting to me.
Police are warning about a TikTok challenge that encourages people to shoot strangers with gel pellets.